15 years ago, my love for the outdoors was born in this very place. The first trail I hiked, the first night I camped under the stars, the first rocks I crawled in my Jeep, and the first mountains I dared to climb. Today, I return to where it all began, carrying many years of memories and a deeper love for nature that started right here. Now, Las Vegas is known for its bright lights and the busy strip. But there's so much more beyond the casinos and neon. Just a short drive away lies Red Rock Canyon, a stunning desert escape with towering red cliffs, winding scenic drives, and trails that weave through a landscape shaped by time. It's a reminder that Vegas isn't just a city of entertainment. It's also surrounded by natural beauty waiting to be explored. Okay, so we're out here on a Wednesday, and I have to be quite honest with you, I did not expect it to be so packed. It is pretty packed out here, even for a Wednesday. But the first stop that you get to is Calico Hills. Now, this spot right here is very popular for the rock climbers. So a lot of rock climbers come here and they do their rock climbing in this area. And this actually was the first place that I ever rock climbed too. So the memories that it's bringing back. Look how beautiful this is though. And then in case any of you guys are wondering where little one is, little one, there she is. Okay, this trail right here is called Calico Tanks. And actually, Calico Tanks is my second favorite trail out here at Red Rock Canyon. And the reason why it's my second favorite trail is because on top of all these mountains and stuff, you get to hike up there, and the views up there are amazing. And oh my God, am I gonna forget this? So the tallest peak inside Red Rock, it's not the tallest peak, but it's a popular hike. Turtle Mountain, I think is what it's called. Oh God, I know I'm getting that wrong. It's been so long since I've been here. But up there, pretty sure it's Turtle something. Right up there. I've hiked to the peak of that too. It's a very popular hike, but it's very hard because it is uphill all the way. That one right there is called Turtle Peak.
Wow.
This is my Canadian right here. And this is my Canadian's first time seeing this place.
Yeah.
Yay. Okay, I was wrong. It's Turtle Head Peak, not Turtle Peak. But at least I got the turtle part right. So yeah, I have been on top of that peak before. Back in the good old days when I was in a lot better shape. So here we are. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So Calico tanks, it's a lot of scrambling on this hike right here, but you keep going up and scrambling up these rocks and everything, and you come to, I guess, a big tank in the ground. It's just a big hole, and whenever it rains and stuff, it fills up with water. So it's actually pretty beautiful once you get up there, but it's too hot right now to be hiking up there. No, don't go back in your hole. No. Come back out. Man, I tell you, this is bringing back so many memories. And though we're not doing a lot of hiking today because it is hot, pre-warn you guys, don't come out here during the summertime and do a hike. But I have hiked every one of these trails that are out here, and I've hiked them more than multiple times. So the gravel road that we just drove down, when you get to the end of it, there's two trails down here. You have the White Rock Mountain, which is another peak that you can climb to, and then the Keystone Thrusts And the Keystone Thrust is a pretty cool trail because you have so many different types of scenery along that trail. And yeah, really pretty. And at each entrance of the trail, they tell you a little bit about the trail and everything. Like they'll tell you the elevation. Does it tell you how long it is? Yeah, and then it tells you how long it is and everything. So yeah, beautiful, beautiful area, but way too hot to be hiking right now. This place isn't just a beautiful landscape. It's a place shaped by millions of years of geological history and home to ancient stories. From the huge sandstone cliffs and red rocks formed over 180 million years ago, left behind by Native American tribes, this land holds layers of time, culture, and natural wonder. Walking amongst these trails, it's like stepping through history written in stone. Okay, so a lot of you guys know I used to be a rock crawler with my old Jeep that I had. And the very first rock crawling trail that I ever did was right out here, and it's called Rocky Gap Road. And this is where you come out of Rocky Gap Road over here by the La Madre Spring Trail. Highly recommend, if you do that rock crawling trail, you do it with other people. Don't do it by yourself. And you must be lifted, and of course must have a 4-wheel drive. So you pretty much go through all that and you climb over huge boulders and everything, and amazing trail. Come on, let's go. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, this one is the very last parking lot and the last trail in the park, and it's called Pine Creek Canyon. And it's an absolutely beautiful trail because this trail right here, you get all types of scenery. You're hiking by water, you come up to flowing water, you're going up and down, up and down, up and down, and then you hike through the trees that are over there. And then in the canyon, you're going in between those mountains and the canyon and stuff. Yeah. But to do this trail properly right here, you would plan on coming out here for a day and specifically doing only this trail right here. Because to enjoy the whole entire trail, it is really, really long. I don't remember how long, but it's long. Just take my word for it. Such a beautiful place. So I was a little disappointed because we couldn't stop at my favorite trail in the whole entire park, which is called Icebox Canyon. Because, well, that parking lot is not that big. It's pretty small, and of course there was no parking. So Icebox Canyon is the trail in the parking lot that's right before Pine Creek, and such an amazing trail. There is a lot of rock scrambling that you have to do and everything, and you have to walk through washes with rocks, and you have to scramble up the side of I guess it's called a mountain, I don't know, big rocks. And then depending on weather, there could be a nice waterfall back there if there was like a lot of rain recently. And it's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trail. So that's Icebox Canyon, and that trail is kind of somewhat shaded throughout the whole entire hike. The first part of it isn't, but for the rest of it, you're pretty much, hence the word canyon, hiking through a canyon. So it's pretty shaded. Really love this area. This has brought back such good, amazing memories for me being here. Like, this has almost refreshed my soul a little bit. This is where it all started for me, right here. First place I ever hiked. First place I ever rock climbed. First place I ever rock crawled. And this place right here is what made me start loving nature so much and the outdoors. To think this is where it all started. So outside of the park, there's also a few trails out here also. So if you can't make reservations, because you have to make timed entry reservations for this place. And if you happen to be out here and you can't make reservations for the day that you come, you can still come and do one of these trails that are on the outside of the park. And you don't need a reservation for that. And to be quite honest with you, there are some amazing trails on the outside also. Scenery is about the same as what you'll probably get inside the park also. And this one right here is called Oak Creek. And Oak Creek, I've actually done a couple of nighttime hikes in this one. And also during the day, obviously. But as you guys can see, it's all open all the way, all through the green field until you get to the mountains over there. And then you start getting some shade by hiking through a canyon, sort of. So yeah, if you want to come out here and try to experience all the trails, or even like half of the trails, plan on coming out here for a few days. And then the reservation systems, it's only $2 if you have your national park pass. You have to make your reservation to get into the park on recreation.gov. And if you don't have a national park pass, it's $22. But if you have a pass, it's only $2. And that's per vehicle, not for everybody in the vehicle. This was a nice day, being able to come and see this amazing, beautiful place where this all started for me.